Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finostin there, and today I'm going to do a salute on Rosie. Why? Because Rosie is my favorite character and I love her so much. Enjoy the video. Rosie. Yes, she rocks. I really love this girl because, number one, Rosie's my favorite character. Number two, she's adorable. Number three, I really love her hair. Do you know who likes this user? Everybody. Everybody likes this user. Yep, I love Rosie too because Rosie's my favorite character. But I don't know who hates this user. So Rosie rocks. And so does Lily. Lily rocks too. Boris sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.